Today the Hawk 250 dual sport motorcycle gets a set of hand brush guards. Hit that subscribe button, leave us a like. Alright, let's get into this. I've had these for a little while now. It's time to get them on. Now I purchased these from Amazon and they were really inexpensive, about 20 bucks or so. Couldn't go wrong for the price. And just scrolling through what's available on Amazon, they were all pretty much comparable, so these are the ones I picked. And this is the hardware that came with them. And here's the Hawk. Okay, let's get these things installed. Now we have to cut out down to the handlebar, and we want to make a really nice clean cut. We don't want to hack this handlebar end up. And we're going to pre-assemble the end piece. The tapered head bolt goes in. And I used a locking washer and then a few washers to kind of push this thing out a little bit. And it's really important to do on the throttle side. And I wanted them to both look the same. So the same number of washers, both sides. And here's the little locking mechanism. And that little ferrule threads on. And as you tighten the bolt against the ferrule, it expands that collar, and that's what keeps the whole thing in place. Now this is the other part that goes on to the other end of the brush guard mount. And this kit comes with a 7/8 and a 1-inch little rubber plastic piece insulator. And I actually had to double it on one side to get it to fit the 7/8 handlebars that I have. And there's always a little bit of modification whenever using a universal type kit, so no big deal. And we don't want to tighten these bolts down completely yet. And here's a shot of that assembly. You can kind of see how that works. Okay, we're going to install it in the end of the handlebar. And you can kind of see what I was talking about. The washers keep it from sucking up against the handlebar. Yeah, that's not what we're going to want on the throttle side for sure. And to get it out past the cable here, I had to put a couple of washers so that it wasn't hard up against the cable. And that did the trick. And this whole installation is really straightforward. And just aligning it and positioning it. And now we can secure down the Allen bolts. Front brush guard mount is finished. Now checking, make sure there's a little bit of wiggle room on that cable. Don't want it hard against it. And here's a finished look. And when you're installing these, you want to make both sides parallel and get them both on the same plane. Because with this universal kit, there's a lot of adjustability, and you just want to stand back and get a nice visual reference on both sides. And like I said, this is a really straightforward kit. I really like it. Hey, go back and check out our other videos on YouTube on our video page. Hit the subscribe button. Leave us a like. Comments if you like. And hey, as always, thanks for watching.